A bagel too? Alright. A croissant with bread. A croissant with bread. The benefits of working in fast food. Free food. Second meal. You know I'm singing anyways. $10 for $10. Okay, now I'm stuffing up the fridge. Here's the thing, like with the Dunkin' or there's no more raspberry. With the Dunkin' overnight, there's like steps to do stuff. We're in the fridge. It's a huge fridge, but there's like steps to do stuff. With when it's like closing and stuff, there's not really step by step basis. Like there's not a schedule, so it's kind of weird to like document this. I don't know. It's just different. Okay, now we're about to mop. You see our little background. Oh my gosh, my hat and stuff. Can you hear her? Somebody say something. This is how we hear you guys for the drive-through or whatever. You press this to talk to each other, like the coworkers. This button. She's talking to me. But this button for a drive-through to hear the customers, and then this to turn up, and then this one to turn down. Raspberry. I heard raspberry tastes like medicine. Look, my hand looks so freaking big. Gonna clean the hot pot. This off. And we just wait until that all comes out. And then while that's preparing, we get a large hot cup and we pour the hot water. And while that's all gone, it's gone by now. And you'll see it's dirty. I know it looks dirty at the top. Go like this. See how there's leftover hot coffee? We're gonna pour it into here until it's clear. And that's it. cleaning. Same with that, which is at the top. We got our little hair ties. Only got one. Cleaning in process. Anyways, we just got back from work. This is my sister Denise, if I didn't introduce her. Work was, what do you think work was?
Work was work. Work was fun. Work was fun today.
Alright, let's try again. How was work for you? Let's try again. Take 3. How was work for you, Denise?
Work was fun.
No, don't you start.
Except for when she tries to play manager and try to tell me what the freak to do, as if I haven't been working there for months.
Shoot.
But other than that, it was fine.
Do you prefer night shift or morning?
Night shift. I hate
Really?
the morning time.
I prefer morning shift when it comes to like not cleaning, because you don't really clean for morning.
I prefer night shift.
But
Morning shift is like a drag. It's draining.
it's to me, people. What's your worst drink to make? Seriously. I don't like making food in a rush. I don't mind making food. I do like making food when I don't feel like talking to customers.
Yeah.
That's literally the only reason why I like making food, and to eat it. I eat it in the bag. Well, if you guys like the video, for our next video, if she's here, I don't know, it depends if I work with her, I'm gonna do a training video where how you work the machines to take orders and how you do the headsets, and then and then also like what to expect, like the cleaning. It's really just cleaning and customers and stuff like that. That's about it. Oh, and also waste is our main thing for night shift. And for night shift, there's no managers. So it's literally just the crew. If you guys like the video, comment, like, and subscribe. And all my socials are Delaya Lowry. If you want to see more of Denise, comment. What emoji do you want?
I want a kissy face emoji. The kissy lips.
Okay.
But just the lips. And watch my TikTok, please.
What's your TikTok
I
channel?
don't. Art. Wait, no, it's something cringy. Like, yeah, follow me on Instagram. DENIISE_216. Yes, you are.
Follow her socials if you want to see her again. And hope you guys have a great day.
Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I'll be on my